Hello YouTube. So we're here with the Jeep again, and I wanted to pull out some of the brake fluid from the reservoir and just swap it out. Now I know the right way to do it would be to take the rims, take the wheels off, crack the bleeders, and do all that fun stuff, but I don't have all that time, and I'm not paying the dealership $150 to do it, so I'm gonna do it my way. So I have this $9 turkey baster. It is, well, not turkey baster, sorry. It's an injector. It could be used for multiple things, injecting like trembling, or I don't know. That's what I would use it for. But anyway, this thing is 150 milliliters. This thing is way bigger than I thought. But I'm gonna crack this open, and right now it is at the it's pretty full. Just to show you guys, it is dark in there. So I know people said, don't drain it all the way to the bottom. It might introduce air. I don't know how it will introduce air into the system unless you pump the brakes and suck the air. Or try to attempt to suck whatever's in there into the system. But still, oh, let me go grab a bottle. I'm gonna try to take the cover off, but just got the bottle. But people are like, oh, you gotta like bleed the system, or I mean, don't drain it all the way to introduce air in the system. I don't know how, but I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, hold on, I want you guys to see this. There's literally crud. Like particles are inside of it. When it started sucking it up, little black particles started coming up. Oh, that is dirty. That is foul. I don't want it leaking it. I don't want it to leak anywhere, but that is absolutely foul. Because more of the stuff is super corrosive. So if it does get on your paint, it will eat your paint. Now, I can't get it off. But look. Look at that. That is absolutely pitch black. Hold on, let me get a picture of this for the let's move these out of the way. Sorry, I'm trying to get a quick picture for the YouTube. Oh god. Okay, go back. And like I said, I'm doing this because I don't have the most amount of time, like another person, to be doing this. Let's just shove this bottle right here. So this is for people that either don't have the money to shell out 100 and to pay the dealer 100 and whatever the fuck they want for it. Let's see how much is left in there. There is a lot in there. That is a lot more than I expected. We're gonna keep going. Oh, it smells foul too. Ugh. Yeah, but this is for people that don't want to pay the $150 because this total, the tube and the tube was $9, the syringe and tube and stuff, and the brake fluid was $6. So we're like $15 into this. Let's see what we're looking at now. Look at that reservoir is pitch black. There's still some more in there. And I like this too because it can get all over. Yeah, it's like sucking up a bunch of gunk in there. Look at this. Look at those like speckles of like just crud. You see that? Yuck. I wouldn't be able to tell you the last time this truck was done. Just have this sit here for now so I can get you guys a better look. Right under the light. Look at that. That is foul and it is pitch black. Yuck. It's gonna be pouring more inside. I have Blue Parks here next to me. I also bought this Ziploc bag to put everything back in. Where is my... Sorry guys. Here. I gotta put a hole in this. That is absolutely fine. I watched a couple YouTube videos on this, on people doing it this way, and their fluid wasn't coming out as dark as mine was. So be very careful when pouring this. Look, it goes in clear. She's up there. Now, I do wanna, now that I poured some in there, I do wanna siphon out some of that new stuff. Just to see how dirty that new stuff got already by mixing with the old stuff. No, you can see the line too. So it looks cleaner in the tube, but like, look at that. You see that crud in there? Beautiful. Oh my god. Okay. That bottle's just like putrid. Put that right there. Fill this up a little bit more. Right at the fill line. And call it a day. Now I do plan on, I'm gonna drive on it for probably 150 to 200 miles and see where it's at on the color, and if I do a part 2, and this is what people say is to drive around, because it's gonna mix, to drive around, but I think for what we've already taken out, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. And I'm just cleaning the nozzle out. I'm sucking clean water into it. And when I empty this out, at AutoZone. But like, in terms of total work, that is maybe like a 5-minute job. Right? You're checking your oil in the morning before you hit the work. Pop it open and see what it's at. So yeah, like I said, I will check back at 100 miles or so and see where it's at, and then we will go from there. But yeah, this was just a quick put some fresh fluid, because that fluid was absolutely just disgusting. And see what happens.